Hey, did you bring the buns for the Vestil cookout?
Yeah, I did. Thanks to Vestil's iBike, I could get everything we needed. Before we start, let me chalk my wheels.
Perfect timing. I'm just about to start grilling.
Wow, this grill is at a perfect ergonomic height.
Well, thanks to Vestil's awesome line of scissor carts, I can adjust the height of the grill to be at the most comfortable height for myself. I could grill for hours.
Nice. Let me block off some space for this cookout we're having. Aren't we missing something?
I know just the thing. I found these awesome Vestil buckets. They're great for carrying just about anything. And they come in a variety of sizes. So now we got a trash can.
All we need is fireworks. Is Alec bringing anything?
You know, I'm not sure. Let me give him a ring.
Yeah, I'm on my way. No, I'm good. This Vestil pallet truck helps me move our fireworks with ease. Happy birthday, USA, from Vestil Manufacturing. Now time for the fireworks.